In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up GeoTourney, which is a program that can help you when running GeoGuessr tournaments on Twitch. The first thing you do is you go to the GitHub link of the project, which you can find in the description. This is the page that you see right here. Here you will find detailed instructions on how to set it up, as well as how to use it. And now I will show you step by step what it takes to get it running on your machine. The first thing you do is to download GeoTourney from GitHub. On the right hand side we can see releases. Click on this and then choose to download the latest version's zip file by just clicking on it. Save the file to your computer. Then open the folder where this was downloaded to. In this case, my downloads folder. Right click on it, select extract all, and then you choose the folder where you want to have the program. I will put mine on the desktop and extract everything there. We now see that I have two files. One exe file, which is the program itself, and then a file called appsettings.json, which, as you can guess, is the settings file for this program. And we can open this file in any text editor, for example Notepad, which everyone has on their machine. And if you look at this settings file, there are 4 parts that we need to provide in order to run this. And that's the GitHub token, the Twitch token, the Twitch bot, and the Twitch channel. So let's just go through them one by one, and we'll start at the bottom with the GitHub token. So in order to retrieve a GitHub token, we'll need to have a GitHub account. So let's go ahead and create one. GitHub is a place to build and host software, and GeoTourney uses it to create and host web pages that present results from GeoGuessr games and tournaments. So if we go back to GitHub, we can just click on sign up here, select the username of our choice. I'll call mine /peakbot2, type your email address, give it a secure password, then finish the very hard reCAPTCHA test that they have here. And create the account. Alright, so in order to create our GitHub token, we can go back to this page and there's a link to github.com/settings/tokens. If we click on that, there's a place or a button called Generate New Token. If I click that, I'm asked to verify my email address. Hopefully I've gotten an email. I'll just do that on the side here. Alright, now my email was verified, so I can try and open this again. And generate a new token. Then I can say in the note field just put anything so that I can recognize it if I come back. GeoTourney Twitch integration. Then I'll want to click the public repo, which is what we will need access to. And this is the only thing. Then click generate token. And here I have it. Copy the value, go back to the settings file, and inside here paste this value. And that's it for the GitHub part of this. So let's move over to the Twitch parts. So the first property here is called Twitch channel, and this is just the username of the account that is streaming. So my usual account that I use is /peak, so I'll put that in here. The second one is the Twitch bot username. You can use the same account as the bot and the channel itself. So the username is the user that will send messages to chat. I myself prefer to have a different account so that it looks like I'm talking to a machine and not myself. So I have created an account called /peakbot2. And now we will need a Twitch token for this user that will send messages to this channel. So if you navigate back to this GitHub page, there's a link to a site called twitchapps.com, which can help us generate tokens. If I open that, copy this value for the client ID, paste it in, and then copy this value for the scope, click on connect, and then try to make sure that we're logged in as the same user that we put into this field here. So /peakbot2 matches /peakbot2 here. And we agree that, okay, this account will be allowed to send messages. Click authorize, get the value here. Again, copy this, go back to the settings file, paste it in, save, close the file, go back to the folder, and if everything turns out good, we should be able to run this program. So I can just run this now by double-clicking it. The first time you do this, you will get the notification from Windows telling you that this is not safe, and indeed maybe it isn't. But you'll just have to trust me that this code isn't going to harm your computer, so click on more information and run anyway. And the first time this starts up, it will take a bit of time because it actually downloads an instance of Chrome into the same folder that we're running this from now. We can see here that there's something called local Chromium, which is about 300 megabytes, which is why it takes a bit of time to actually start it up now. And after a bit of time, indeed, a browser opens and it navigates to GeoGuessr. And here I can sign in to my GeoGuessr account that I usually use when I play. And you can sign in with email and password or with Facebook or Google, doesn't matter. I will try this now with Google sign-in. And when I'm signed in now, I will just want to minimize both of these windows. This was the program that started, GeoTourney XE, also minimizing this. And now I should be able to just go to my Twitch chat and start interacting with my program. And indeed, if I type in here !maps, my bot account, which was the same value that I used in the settings file, /peakbot2, responds with a link to the GitHub page that was set up for me on that same account that I created on GitHub. And if I click on that link, it opens a page, which is an actual web page hosted here, and everything works. Thanks for watching.